A solid cube is painted yellow, blue and black such that the opposite faces are of same color. Now I would say this particular question is the most difficult question that UPSC has asked till date from the topic. You'll understand why. This is difficult because of this next line. The cube is then cut into 36 cubes of 2 different sizes. इस क्वेश्चन के पहले और इस क्वेश्चन के बाद never UPSC has asked a question in which cubes are being cut into 2 different sized cubes. Only in this particular question they have cut a particular bigger cube into 2 differently sized cubes. So it is cut into 32 smaller cubes and 4 bigger cubes. So there are 4 big and 32 small cubes. None of the faces of bigger cubes is painted blue. Ab none of the faces of a bigger cube is painted blue. What does this mean and how do we reach to the diagram with this particular thing? They are asking how many cubes have only one face painted. We are supposed to find that how many cubes are there that are painted only in one of the face. Now understand how this particular cube is being painted. It is painted in yellow color, blue color and black color such that the opposite faces are of same color. So there is a bigger cube but it is painted in such a manner that opposite faces are of same color. So if this is the cube, you are painting yellow here तो नीचे होगा, यहाँ blue है तो पीछे blue होगा. If this is black, so this will be black. But it is given that 32 smaller cubes are there and 4 big cubes are there and none of the faces of the big cube is painted blue. That means blue color is being done in such a manner that it is not there on the bigger cubes. Ab how will I visualize this? Imagine you have placed a bigger cube here and there are 4 bigger cubes. If you are placing 4 bigger cubes, can I place it like this and then sandwich it with the smaller cubes? So I am placing the bigger cubes and then I am sandwiching it with smaller cubes. That means none of the edge of this bigger cube is lying above. So if none of the edge is lying above, so I will place my blue color on this particular edge so that none of the edge of this bigger cube turns blue, only the smaller cubes have blue color on them. Now understand you have total, अब इसको करेंगे कैसे, इसको समझेंगे कैसे डायग्राम को. See, there are 4 bigger cubes. Let's say I placed 4 bigger cubes. Total I have 32 smaller cubes. If I need to divide them into 2 layers, 16 and 16, अब 16 cubes on one layer can directly make you click that it might be possible that I have 4 cross 4 का cube. So yes, it is a 4 cross 4 cube with 16 cubes here. यहाँ नीचे भी 16 होंगे 4 cross 4 का layer and the 4 bigger cubes are of double dimension than this. You can make it like this. It is of double dimension, so 4 bigger cubes are placed like this. Now you can directly see how many cubes have only one face painted. Only one face painted. See, each of the bigger cubes will have 2 face painted. One is black, other is yellow, black, ऐसे करके. तो bigger में तो नहीं है. Can you have a smaller cube that is painted in one face? Yes. Remove all the corner cubes. You will be left with just this 4 cubes on the top face that are painted only in the single color, and the single color here is blue. Same way, if I do the same for the bottom cube, then the bottom layer will also have 4 cubes that will be painted in one color only. So total 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom, you will have 8 such cubes that are painted only in single color. This is difficult to imagine. This was the difficult question UPSC has asked from this topic, and it was actually difficult to do in the exam condition.